Verbs. Dear children, all are fine? Yeah. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Don't know? Can you see one boy here? His name is Rahul. Can you see me what action he is doing? Yeah, Rahul is eating a cake. What's the action in that sentence? Eating. So, today we are going to learn action words. Verb. A verb is a word which shows an action. Verbs are doing words. For example, they are dancing. Now we learn what's a verb. Can we check some examples? Yeah, the horse jumped over the wall. Here, which word is showing an action? Yeah, jumped. So, what's the verb? Jumped. All of you are waking up early in the morning? Yeah, our next example is the sun rises in the east. Here, which word is showing an action? Yeah, rises. So, what's the verb? Rises. Now it's too hot. All are drinking plenty of water? Yeah, our next example is drink some water. What's the verb in this sentence? Yeah, drink. Why? That word is showing the action. What's our next example? Yeah, yesterday I thought about you. Here in this sentence, which word is showing an action? Yeah, thought. So what's the verb? Thought. The next example, the bell is ringing. Which words are showing the action? Yeah, is ringing. So what's the verb? Is ringing. Next one is we will go tomorrow. Here which words are showing the action? Yeah, will go. So the verb is will go. All of you like butterflies? I also like butterflies. Now the butterflies are flying. Can you see? Yeah. What's the action word in this sentence? Yeah, are flying. So the verb is are flying. Did you learn about seasons? Yeah. During which season the leaves will fall? Autumn. Here our next example is the leaves are falling. What's the verb in this sentence? Yeah, are falling. Dear friends, do you like to play in rain? Yeah, it's raining now. What's the verb in this sentence? It's raining because it shows an action. Dear children, you got many examples and you told all the answers. But you didn't tell me how did you get the answers. Can you tell me? Yeah, we can ask the subjects what are they doing. For example, the baby is sleeping. What is the baby doing? Sleeping. So the doing words are known as verbs. Dear children, what did we learn today? Yeah, verbs. What's mean by a verb? Yeah, verb is a word which shows an action. Oh, verbs are doing words.
Dear friends, did you enjoy today's class? You want to get more videos like this? If you want to get more videos like this, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.